So I feel like I'm kind of an expert at resolving employee conflict. You know, a little straight talk, a little encouragement, a little nudge. But these two I've got today, Jeff and Kurtis, it's like nothing will work with them. I've tried everything until now. I've got a brand new technique, and I think it'll work. And if it does, I'm going to bring it to the network.
What the heck are we doing here?
It has something to do with the fake diploma.
It had something to do with you, for sure.
Hey, gentlemen. How's it going today? Well, I wanted to bring you here today. I have an inkling, and I might be wrong at this, but I'm getting a sense that the two of you are not getting along so well. So I wanted to bring you together today and just see if you want to talk about your feelings. Either of you willing? Okay, Jeff?
I feel
Good job.
like Kurtis may cry if he doesn't get the toy in his Happy Meal.
Okay, so that's not exactly what I was thinking, but it's a start. It's a start.
It was a feeling.
It was a feeling. Okay. Kurtis.
I don't think Jeff is a real engineer.
I've heard that before from you. So this is not working exactly as I thought, but I've got something that can help us out a little bit. You willing to give it a try? Guys, I brought a little help today, okay? Here's what I'd like to do. If this works, we're going to call it the Sievers method. Kurtis, I'd like to introduce you to little Jeff. Why don't you go ahead and take him? It's all right. Go ahead. Little Jeff, just take him.
It's a good looking dude right there.
And Jeff, I'd like to introduce you to little Kurtis. Why don't you go ahead?
It's even got the women's cowboy boots.
All right. Kurtis, I want you to start. Look little Jeff in the eye. Really look at him in the eye. You can do it. Good. Now tell him how you feel.
Little Jeff, sometimes I think you don't like me. There.
Okay. Now squeeze his hand. He'll respond. Go ahead.
Hey, loser, trust your instincts.
You see what happens?
Okay. It's a start. It's a start. Jeff, why don't you give it a try? Pick up little Kurtis. Look him in the eye. Now tell him how you feel.
Kurtis, it's not that I don't like you, but to me, your voice is like fingernails on a chalkboard. And then those irritating catchphrases. Ugh!
Be ready to be great.
Oh. You see what I mean?
All right. Guys, this is not working. Let's try it another way, okay? Okay, I'm going to do the talking this time. Okay. Kurtis, you know I'm just a tough love kind of guy. I know, but it's just that I'm so much better than you, and you just don't want to admit it. Let's do a man hug.
Whoa, no, give me that.
Okay.
No. Not even with little guys.
Yeah, it's not working. I think we'll just call it the Harrington method. All right, guys, so this isn't the best idea I've ever had, but...
That's not the best idea.
Okay, Jeff, I don't need you to agree with that.
Sorry.
Okay. Not the best idea, but there's still hope. Let's do something this week that I think can make a big difference. Are you willing to continue trying?
Okay.
Okay, guys. I want you to take these dolls back to your desk. Kurtis, I want you to take little Jeff. Jeff, I want you to take little Kurtis back to your desk, set him on the desk, and try to learn to understand each other. I really think you can learn some healthy communication, you guys, and understand each other. Are you willing to give it a try?
Okay.
Okay, great.
But if he says one more thing like that to me, these stupid pencils are coming back through his neck.
Kurtis.
All right, boot boy. I'm out of here.
Hey, Kurtis, you're looking good, my man. You been working out? Yeah, Jeff. Thanks for noticing. I have been working out. You look good yourself. Chest bump.